Hi everyone, this is Stacy in Japan, and today I'll be starting a series entitled Let's Read. This series is specifically for my junior high school students who have found me on YouTube, and so I thought it would be good to do this for them. Today I'll be starting with New Horizon 1, and the story is entitled The Restaurant with Many Orders. Two hunters lost their way in a forest. They found a restaurant, Wildcat House. One hunter said, "I'm hungry. We can eat here." They read a message on the door. It said, "We have many orders. Please understand." In the restaurant, the hunters saw many messages. The messages said, "Put your guns on the table. Take off your clothes and put salt and vinegar on your bodies." "That's strange," one hunter said. "We're not making orders." "Those messages are orders from this restaurant." "That means, oh no, where's the food?" Then the hunters saw two shiny eyes in two big keyholes of the door. "Those eyes are watching us!" The hunters ran out of the restaurant. One hunter looked back and said, "Where is the restaurant? It's not there." They stood alone in the forest. The wind blew over them. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.